boom, boom, animals.
A Diwali animal song. Boom, boom, pop, pop, animals go bright. Their cracker friends lighting up the night. Elephant, lion, bunny, and frog, come and join our firecracker song. Elephant, sparkler, watch him go, twinkling and shining with a gentle glow. His trunk makes a line of glittery light, waving his sparkle with all his might. Boom, 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 pop, pop, animals go bright. Their cracker friends lighting up the night. The lion is the rocket, zooms to the sky, roaring and soaring oh so high. With a boom and a flash, he lights up the way, shining like sunshine in colors that play. Boom, 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 pop, pop, animals go bright. Their cracker friends lighting up the night. Bunny is a flower pop, spinning around, making rainbow colors all over the ground. With a whiz in the world, she twirls in glee, happy as ever for all to see. Boom, 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 pop, pop, animals go bright. Their cracker friends lighting up the night. Frog is the chalkery, spinning so fast, round and round with a sparkly blast. Hopping and spinning, he lights up the ground with a laugh and a jump, going round and round. Boom, 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 pop, pop, animals go bright. Their cracker friends lighting up the night. So dance with the animals, sing and play a Diwali song for a joyful day. Elephant, lion, bunny, and frog, bringing cheer with a firecracker jug.